Good morning, students. We are going through the chapter Is Matter Around Us is Pure. So, in that, we are discussing about separating the components of a mixture. We have learned that the natural substances are not chemically pure, and different methods of separations are used to get individual components from a mixture. So, heterogeneous mixture can be separated into respective constituents by simple physical methods like hand picking, sieving, and filtration. Where hand picking, if some stones are there in the rice, so we can use our hand and we can pick it up easily. And the next is the sieving. If you want to dust the flour, you can use by this sieve. And filtration, when you prepared a tea, you want to separate the tea powder from the liquid tea, so that you can use a filter for it, so that you can directly remove your tea powder from the liquid tea. And you can go with the other examples, whereas the separating of cream from the milk, that means when you boil the milk, the milk consists of fat in it, that is nothing but the cream. So you can separate this cream. After a while, after your boiling of your milk, you can see some thick shiny color, which is substances which is floating on the milk. So you can separate it, remove it by using the spatula. And the other, in the medical fields also, you can see that the blood and the urine test, where in that also, if you take the blood sample in a test tube, where if you leave that test tube like that for a while, so after few minutes you can observe that the blood cells will comes down, and the white color liquid which floats on it, that is nothing but the plasma. And one more example, you can explain that washing machine, where all your wet clothes will get the remove of all the water can be squeezed out from your clothes. So the next topic is the immiscible liquids, that means cannot mix with water. So example of this immiscible liquids, you can say as oil or water, kerosene or water, and sand or water. So all these are, whereas oil and kerosene, which floats on the water and it won't mixes. So as oil is very lesser weight than water, so it floats on water, and the same thing with kerosene. But when it comes to the sand and water, where sand has a weight particle, so that all the sand particles can go down and water can be float, and it can be easily separated. This is about immiscible liquids. And when it comes to the miscible liquids, where the mixing of the two components is that called as miscible liquids. So the method what we used over here is a distillation. So it is used for the separation of two components by boiling. That means you can use here, for example, one is the rice and water. After cooking the rice, we can remove the boiled rice and water by separation. And then the acetone and water, where we remove it by using this distillation method. This is about the separating of the mixtures. Thank you.